Recently, the External Minister of India, Dr. Jaishankar, met with UAE counterpart and said that we have seen the appreciable growth in trade after the comprehensive economic partnership agreement that recently both countries have signed. Hello and good morning everyone. Today my lecture topic is India and UAE relationship. Friends, both countries established the diplomatic relation in 1972, but after that the relation was normal. But when the Prime Minister Modi visited UAE in 2015, both have signed a strategic partnership agreement and started better relationship. And after that, in 2017, the Abu Dhabi Crown Prince visited India as a chief guest of Republic Day celebration. And after that, both have started negotiation for comprehensive economic agreement, partnership agreement. And today, both have signed the free trade agreement and both are the part of I2U2 group, and both are going for more and more bilateral talks and cooperation. Friends, now let's talk what are the area of cooperation between both the countries. First is the diplomatic relation. In India opened its embassy in Abu Dhabi in 1973, and UAE opened its embassy in Delhi in 1972. And after that, Prime Minister Modi recently visited in 2019 and received the highest honor award of the UAE, Jayad honor. And after that, both countries have also become the member of I2U2 group. Second is economic and commercial. As we know, UAE is the third largest trading partner of India and second largest exporter for India. And the trade between both countries is about 88 billion US dollar, and both have signed free trade agreement as well. Third is the cultural relation. Today, UAE is the country where yoga meditation center are openly at high level, and Indian cinema and radio channels as well as some other platforms have increased in UAE and easily available. Fourth is the Indian diaspora. About 3.4 million Indians live in UAE and work as a IT professionals, doctor, engineer, lecturer, as well as the labor. And it is about the 34% of the total UAE population. And it is the largest ethnic group in the UAE. Fifth is defense. Both countries have done one military exercise this year, as well as both have very high level of exchange meeting that regularly happen, and there is annual defense dialogue meeting also present. Friends, now let's talk about the area of concern between both the country. First is Nupur Sama comment on the Muhammad Prophet this year that become the concern from the UAE side. Second is the India's close relation with Iran and UAE close relation with China. Third, the energy pricing that is the major concern between both the country. Fourth, the condition of the Indian labor in UAE in recent time we have seen. And last, some other concern like the Indian minority situation that UAE have raised concern over the CA protest as well as the hijab ban in Karnataka. Friends, in my conclusion, as we know, in today UAE is the biggest Indian partner in the Arab world, and both countries have potential to go more far in bilateral relation, and both need to increase the bilateral talks as well as increase cooperation in science, technology, health, education, the trade, and the space technology, as well as meditation, yoga in this center. And I2U2 group can help both countries to solve the bilateral issues, and India need to maintain the influence in the Arab world and overcome the influence of China, so that India need to increase the talks, and definitely free trade agreement will be the parameter through which India and UAE will touch the 100 billion trade very soon. Thank you.